Hi Dylan, just trying another video to see if it works this time. So what you need to do for the commercial is open up Mixcraft and choose one instrument track and one audio track and click OK. I'm just going to make this window a bit bigger for you. I don't know if I can. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously have decided before you do this what advertisement you're going to do. So Donna did a soft drink commercial, which is going to be like a Coca-Cola commercial, which is going to be really upbeat with a good upbeat, fastish, medium to fast tempo track or loop. And then Maya did something for Disneyland, which was going to be a slower, very sort of ethereal. So it was going to be a slower tempo. So let's say, for example, you can do something for a car. And so it's going to be, you want it to be fast-ish and upbeat, maybe a Land Rover going across, mountains and whatever. So I'm going to click all of the buttons so that in the metronome, so you can hear the click all the time, so you can be in time. And 120 beats per minute is pretty standard sort of up tempo. So I'm going to press record and you can hear how fast that is. And I think that's a pretty good tempo, but if you wanted it faster, you could go up, or if you wanted it slow, you could go down. Now I'm going to find down here in the loop window, I'm going to do my audio track first, which is my loop. So I'm going to pick, probably just want something rock, to be honest. So let's go to rock and let's see what sorts of loops I can find. I don't want a guitar loop, I don't want a bass loop, I just want to find something with drums. So I could actually just try drum in the search bar now. I should have a couple of drum options. Let's have a listen to this one. That's fine. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to drag it up into audio track. You didn't see that, but I dragged it up into audio track. Dragged it up. Now I'm going to extend it so that it goes for 8 bars, all the way to 8. And because you can see it's going into red, I'm going to turn it down slightly so that it doesn't go into red anymore. All right, so that's my loop, and it will sound better when I take off the ding, 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 but at the moment you've got the click or the metronome on. And then I'm going to use musical typing to create some sort of melody. So I'll just go with, maybe I'll choose guitar instead of piano. I'm going to go with a jazz guitar just for fun. Go to musical typing. And I'm going to pick something like just going to repeat that over the click. All right, so I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to go back to the very beginning. I'm going to press record and I'll get 2 bars before I have to go in. 1, 2, here we go. That's fine, I think. A little repeated melody. And it went a little bit too far over. And now I can stop. I'm just going to shrink that one back. And let's listen to my project. I'll take the click off playback, so now we're not going to hear the bing, bing, bing sound. Here we go from the beginning. And anything that goes into the red zone, you want to just turn down slightly. A little bit out of time, but that's fine. And that's just like a little track to go over a car commercial. It's not perfectly in time what I played, but you don't have to quantize it at the moment, which means fix up the notes in the. Can you turn that off, Saki? So now I'm going to save as you would write Dylan, but I'm going to write Brewers Car Commercial to my desktop, and then once it's on my desktop, I upload it to the Dropbox for marking. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.